So a couple things about Silky Silk. So basically, this is an amazing brand. They've got absolutely amazing products. So they are all made of 100% mulberry silk. So they are so soft. They are so unbelievably comfortable. I feel like this is definitely going to be one of my new favorite pajama brands. I feel like this is going to be one of those that once I try these on and sleep in them and live in them, I'm not going to want to try any other brands. They're amazing. So they were nice enough to give us a 10% off code, which means you can get 10% off of your purchase. That code, I'm not only going to tell you, but I will write everything in the bio of this video. So their name, their website, their three different products that I actually reviewed, as well as the discount code. So the discount code is Peach10. And again, that will give you 10% off your order. So thank you very much for giving us that discount code and letting me give it to all of you fine people watching. So these are going to be amazing gift ideas, especially with Christmas coming up. This will be the perfect Christmas present, perfect New Year's Eve present, and I know we're a couple months away, but it will be the perfect Valentine's Day present. So definitely keep that in mind, ladies and gents. If you want to buy yourself something nice, or men, if you want to buy your significant other something nice, you can definitely do so with them. Now, they do ship to both US and Australia through DHL, so you will have great shipping experience, so you don't have to worry about them getting here on time. And then last but not least, they actually do offer a service where they will make a custom card to put in the box if you want to write the person that you're sending these to or buying these for a little, special kind of, note, a sexy note or anything like that. So I do love that feature about them. So let's go ahead and take a peek at everything that they have sent over. So first off, if y'all have seen me and my reviews before, not only am I reviewing the products themselves, but I'm also reviewing the brand. I'm reviewing the shipping. I'm reviewing the customer service. I want to actually do the big full package. So everything thus far has been wonderful. The shipping time was very fast. Everything is neatly organized. It's not just thrown in a bag or thrown in a box. Everything is folded. Everything is in perfect condition, which is very important to me. Again, I'm looking at the overall experience, not just the products. So first thing, oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? Look how pretty this is. So it's this beautiful cheetah silk, oh my gosh, little kind of nightgown. I love the colors. I love the lace. It is absolutely gorgeous. So that is going to be the first thing I am trying on. Now, just for reference, I am gotten a size small in everything that I'm going to be showing you. So I am 5'7", I'm 126 pounds, and I typically do wear a size small in everything. So these definitely run true to size. So let's go ahead and show you what else I got. Oh my gosh, I love these. So here we go. So here is this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful top. I absolutely love the color of this. So it's the top and the little shorts. So I absolutely love the color of this. So I cannot wait to show y'all that set. And then last but not least, I do have this beautiful pink slip. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try these on for y'all, and I cannot wait for y'all to see them on. So give me just a minute. All right, so here is the first look. Y'all, how absolutely gorgeous is this? So I kind of took a hot second to actually steam these, just because in transit they had those little, lines in it. So I wanted to make sure that they were perfectly steamed so that y'all could get the real picture. But look how beautiful this is. And y'all, it is so soft. Oh my gosh, I love this material. So it does have the real thin kind of spaghetti straps. It's got the beautiful lace that kind of wraps around, not all the way to the back, but you can kind of see under the armpit. And then the straps are adjustable on the back. It's nice and fitted. It's not too snug. It's not too loose. So again, I am 5'7". I'm 126 pounds. This hits me a couple inches above the kneecaps. I'm trying to back up so y'all can really see how long it is. So it's got this beautiful kind of lace detail that kind of comes up the sides. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is so comfortable on. I feel like a goddess. So this is definitely one of those things that I feel like I will wear around the house all the time because I am a stay-at-home mom, so I love being comfortable in my jammies. So I love stuff like this. So there is the first one, and how unbelievably gorgeous is that? Okay, so next up, I'm going to do that kind of like purpley, kind of little tank top and short set. So give me just a second to change. All right, so I am back with the second look. So as you can see, this is like a little matching set. So it's got the tank top, and then it does have these beautiful high-waisted bottoms. So again, I am wearing a size small. It definitely runs true to size. So a couple things about this is that it does have the nice little thin spaghetti straps. It's got a slight little V-neck there. The back of the straps do have the little adjustable things, so they are adjustable, which is great. It's so sexy on. I love the way this looks. I love the color. And that's the other thing I wanted to tell y'all. All of the products that I'm showing you come in multiple different colors. So if the color that I'm trying on isn't your thing, they've got tons of other colors to choose from. So I love this. It's kind of like a purple, but it's got like a touch of gray to it too. So love this. Then the pants are really stretchy. They do have like a little adjustable waistband with a little bow there, and then the back of them. So comfortable. I could live in these. I could live in these. So comfortable, so cute on. Couldn't you see your special someone sitting on the couch with some hot cocoa by the fireplace for, Christmas or New Year's? This is what you can give them. I love these. Okay, so I've got one more thing to try on. Give me just a second to change. All right, so look how gorgeous this is. I love the color. So it's kind of like a deep, beautiful pink, and then it's kind of got some lighter pink in there for the lace. So it does have the spaghetti straps again. It does have the little lace kind of border that does kind of stop at the armpits. Again, the straps are adjustable on the back side, which is awesome. And then it's got this beautiful detail. I want to back up enough so y'all can see. It's kind of got a slit with a little bow, and then the lace goes all the way around the bottom. So again, I am wearing a size small. It fits perfectly. It is so comfortable. It is so sexy. I absolutely love their products. So again, huge shout out to SilkSilky for making some of the most amazing pajamas I have ever worn. And again, I'm going to be linking everything, their website, all 3 products that I tried on, the discount code, everything will be linked in the bio of the video. So I hope that y'all enjoyed. I hope that y'all can find something that you will love. I know you will, because it is seriously amazing silk products. So yeah, y'all can feel free to find me on my Amazon storefront, on my Instagram. I will link all of those things in the bio of the video as well. And I hope y'all are having a great day, and I will see y'all soon.